Hello guys, welcome back to the video. So today I'm going to be showing you how to use Visual Studio Code for the first time on your Windows device. So as you can see here, I'm on the official Visual Studio website, code.visualstudio, and you can see the big blue button download for Windows here. So as you can see, these are all the versions: Mac OS, Windows, Linux. So we need the stable build of Windows 64. So you just need to click on the stable version user installer, or you can just click the big blue button. So yeah, I'm just gonna click that. So as you can see, it says thank you for downloading, and the setup is here. So this will just take a bit to download based on your internet speed. So let's just wait for a couple of seconds. So as you can see, it's almost done. Yeah, so the user setup is done, and now you can just click on it, and the setup will start. So yeah, so the license agreement is here. So you just click on accept the agreement. Next, then you this location I wouldn't advise you to change it for, because like it's made for it to be installed there. But if you want, you can go right ahead. So I'm just going to let it be just like that, and just going to click next. I don't want to start menu folder, so I'm just going to click on don't create one. Next. And then here in these options, I personally, like, I want a desktop icon just for easy access. So I'm gonna click on that. The first three, the open with code, the first three, and register code as a register editor for supported file types. I use many other IDs, so I am not really only dependent on Visual Studio. So I'm gonna unselect those. But if you're gonna be only using this ID, then you can go ahead. So yeah, I'm just going to deselect that. And but the last one, you need that, otherwise the programs won't run. So add to path is necessary. And then yeah, I'm just going to select that and click on next. And then you can just hit install. I'll just install it in the directory, this same as the earlier. This will take a couple of seconds. So it's done. As the launch thing is selected, so if you just click on finish, you can see that the code editor is ready. So you have successfully installed your VS Code. Congrats. So now these the choose look you which you want and all that. It's your preference. So I'm just gonna go with dark, just as is. But there are many themes you can choose from them. So I'm just gonna go down and click on mark done, because this is not really important. And now you can see the splash screen is here, the start screen. Now I'm just gonna show you how to run a basic program. So I'll just go with Python right now. I'm just gonna click on new file here, and now you just need to go to file again, and uh, I just created this by mistake. I'll just close this and click on save as. We don't need the second one originally, which was here. That's enough. I just click on file and click on save as. So I'm just gonna put it like right on the desktop just for easy access for now. Later you will know how to create projects like in separate directories, but this is just running your first basic program. So first click on all files, and this is important. You need to click on all files, and then here I'll just say hello world.py, because I'm going to be doing that. .py is Python. So if you want C++, do .cpp, java, so on and so forth. Here, as you can see, it's created, and this is on the desktop. You can see the Python logo is there on top beside hello world.py, so it's been detected. But to run Python in the VS Code, you need the extension. So you just click on the box there and search Python. So this is the official Python extension by Microsoft. Just click on install. This will take a couple of seconds too. This may take longer because this includes all the other packages. You can see IntelliSense, Line debugging, Jupyter Notebook. So this is going to take a while. I'm sorry you guys have to sit through this installing process, but I'm actually learning how to use the editor, so the video editor. So I'm still learning on how to cut like the video in the middle. So sorry if you have to see this. You can just skip like 20 seconds forward. Sorry. So it's done, as you can see. So here you may get a dialog saying install Python. So I personally wouldn't do this because it's like through Microsoft and all to download. You don't really need to go to store. It's not necessary. So the installing Python is very easy actually. You'll see many other tutorials. So I don't think I need to show you how to install Python. So I'm just gonna click on Markdown and go ahead because I already have Python installed on my computer. So here I just chose the interpreter because it's already installed. Now I'm just gonna click on Markdown and go ahead. So I'll just go to the hello world.py. Now I'll just do a simple print statement. Hello world, it's most basic program. So I'll just say hello VS Code. And you can see there's a play button on the top right corner. Just click on that. It says run Python file. So on the terminal, you can see this PowerShell is done. You can see that hello VS Code. So it's printed. So you successfully compiled and ran your first program. So for now this is the basic. So you have finally set up your ID. Very basic. So this may be coming in the middle right now, the extensions on. So all you need to do is go to view appearance and click on show sidebar. It's selected. You click on it, it'll get deselected. So it's gone now. So I prefer minimalistic environment. So this is perfect now. And if you click on appearance again, you can zoom in too because it's kind of small. So yeah, there you can see the shortcut is control plus equal to. So this got zoomed in, easier to look at all the commands. So yeah, that's the basic video on how to install VS Code and run your first program, in which I chose Python. Thank you for watching till the end. Good day.